My name is Kumar, and I'm developer for this app, Chart Your Horoscope. Let's see, in this video, let's see how to use Chart Your Horoscope app. Just give me a minute. Okay, in the last video, we saw how to install the app from Google Workspace Marketplace. So since we have already installed, this video will see how to use it. Okay, I got you. I've opened a spreadsheet, and then I click on the extension tab where I can see the chartered horoscope and Google Sheet. These are the various moves like Vedic Astrology, marriage, matching, destiny astrology. Yeah. So in this demo, we'll see how to run detailed horoscope analysis. The first thing is to accept a disclaimer. The disclaimer says that we are technology enablers and do not provide astrological advice. So please be aware of it. What we are doing is that we are generating the data using an API and then sending the data given by the API to Gemini AI to interpret the results and give you a clear picture of, give you the results in the Google Sheet. So please use this as a guiding document. And if you have any questions, please discuss with your astrologer as well. So I'll give some developer here. You have 6 a.m. Channel. Then you can ask 2 questions. For example, for me, and yeah, you can ask something else you want, like about your health or anything else of your chance. And then you have to save the questions. And then come down into the content of high school. This will take a little bit of time as it has to process a lot of data. So we need to give it a minute or two. Still generating it. You can see that it started to write the data points one by one to the sheet. But it's still generating. You can see that it's still generating. So it's not completed yet, but it is in the process of writing the results to the Google Sheet. We need to wait for it to give that completed message. Okay, you can see the message now. Horoscope generated successfully. You can click OK. Now we will see what are the various things which we have here. One thing is the birth details, nakshatra details. You can see here yoga details, the tablet form. You have Raja Yoga, Hamsa Yoga, many more things. So you can go through it, and then Dasha balance, and then the Dasha begins, right? Also, periods will be there for 3 4 pages. So I'm just scrolling down, and then you can see the chart here, actual chart, classic chart, and then the planetary positions, Lagna chart details, divisional chart details, Saptam chart details, Rakana chart details. So there's the overview. So there's the basis. And then finally, AI interpretation. So this is how it is. You can either read it in the Google Sheet, or if you want, you click on export to PDF, where the data in this page will be exported to the PDF. You can see here. So save it. The same data, you can see it in the PDF. The last 2 pages will have the AI interpretation. So it has, you can see, just wanted to show you, even though this is not my personal data birth, I just gave some data birth for you in order to show the demo. So it has spouse qualities and traits based on Noamsa, right? And UL. And then we have health sensitive periods, right? And then all those things you have. And then gender inclination of the kids, career in 2026, how it's going to be. Then month and month predictions until December 2026. So everything will be there. Effects of yoga. What are the various yogas which we saw the special, and how it's going to impact so we have those things. So these are some of the things which we have the PDF. Please go through that. As I said earlier, this interpretation is completely generated by the AI. So please use it only as a guidance. Thank you. In case of any questions, please do write to me. Thank you. Bye-bye.